my head off then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Yeah, guys, I'm down at in Holly Springs, Mississippi at CJ Enclosures. Y'all can see right there. Y'all know the truck if y'all seen it on the video. I'm from on my YouTube channel, on my channel here. I'm at CJ Enclosures. So you know, definitely y'all want to get some of that custom work. We're gonna y'all definitely want to come and check them out. There's a number right there if y'all want to get in touch with them right there. We do all kind of work. So you know, you want to inquire about some work, y'all be sure to contact him. He will come and pick it up. We have a way to trailer it, so you need it picked up, dropped off. He can do the whole 9. So you know, he's a massive audio dealer as well. I'm sure a couple of other brands. Probably can get away with whatever you need. So you can definitely hit him up. He is here in 4127 Highway 178. I think it's Holly Springs, Mississippi. That's what they call it here. I forgot the name of the little town. It's right in between a town or two, so you definitely want to come on and check them out.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.